Hi everyone, Zach here at Virnig Manufacturing. I'm excited to talk to you guys about some new innovations coming for our forestry products. You may have heard at the end of July we introduced our brand new drum mulcher. You can check out all the ways that it stomps the competition at the link here. This video, we want to show you guys what we've been working on with our V70 tree disc mulcher. Virnig's V70 TDM now utilizes a 160cc or the new 180cc bent axis piston motor. A piston motor provides quicker spin up, faster recovery, and higher overall productivity. We added an even more powerful 50 gallon per minute motor option to help really get the most out of your equipment. Another exciting change is the optional pressure gauge we added to monitor the hydraulic pressure. With this gauge, an operator can see where the disc is ready to mulch or grind, and also when operation should be slowed to avoid stalling. You'll get optimal productivity by knowing exactly when the attachment spins up and is ready to perform. Thank you for watching. Stick around, we have some more exciting news about our open front brush cutters coming soon. Please subscribe to Virnig's channel for demos, walkarounds, and breaking news in the attachment industry.